Wow. Okay everyone, in this video we're going to install all the hardware, the components for like servos, motors, ESCs. We're going to finish up. We need to print still some more parts like the aileron hinges, slat hinges and elevator hinges. And in this video we're going to take a closer look to the artillery Sidewinder X1. In our previous two videos we used the Dowload X1, which is a really awesome printer. But if a good alternative, if the guy for who has a little bit lower budget, the artillery Sidewinder X2 is a really nice alternative, because it got fast non-printing movements, it doesn't make any mistakes, and we printed an entire fuselage in just 1 week without any mistakes. Yeah, I'm starting to really love this Sidewinder X2. As always, let's start building. So this model is fully printed with the X1 Sidewinder from artillery. This model is fully printed with the Dowload X1 Carbon Pro. So yeah, this artillery is really doing its job. This one is almost finished, so I need to change the spools soon. So if you need more reviews, or if you wish more reviews about this small little printer, I'm really glad to answer all your questions. What I'm particularly proud is the bed is really leveled. You got your BL touch, you got your direct extruder. It's really to swap filaments from the top. You got your runout filament detector. Also they did an amazing job with these flat cables, so it's really stable now, this printer. So this is the assembly of the main landing gear. It fits really nicely, and you can see the slots inside there, and actually it should fit directly and really nice. Really does do look nice. Look. And also the nose gear should fit over there. And here you have it. This looks really cool. Also the landing gear holders will also give some extra stiffness between the parts which are glued together. Okay, let's use some super glue and let's put her on our feet for the first time. Cool. Here you can see those wires are above the holders of the JP motor, and then afterwards you can slide the motor really easily in its position.
For making this fuselage or printing this fuselage, we're going to use lightweight filaments. Use different brands of printer. And in this video, we will also find RC-jetprint.
The canopy can be closed and it's locked with 2 magnets. So let's start installing the lift fan hood.
You will get these folders where all parts are separated in different folders. We also got a specification list for all the parts. All the settings you can find on RC-jetprint.
Every morning I check over my printers and then just put a new spool from Collorfabb on the Sidewinder. So let's prepare it for a new print before we start continuing the F-35. Yesterday I already put some nice painting details on it extra and it starts really looking cool. Okay, in this particular sample I'm using QR Slicer. I set up the profile for the 3D Sidewinder X1, X2 actually. And here you got it. Then I will choose in the folders which you downloaded from RC-jetprint.com. You will choose the file, make it level, turn it a bit, that it fits. And all the settings are on RC-jetprint. So you use 0.2 layer height, the flow should be 50%. First layers are 3, jaw height infill, 5% infill, and this should go. Sorry, slice. And for this part, actually, you don't need support. Let me see. No, you don't need support. So turn off support for this part. Yeah, it should go like this. The fun part about Prusa Slicer is you can also cut the files. So when the files are too big, you can cut them. And also in our files, we also cut it for you to fit smaller printers. Okay, here we go. And let's print this part.
flaps. Take flaps up. Going into transition. Going into cover. The middles are 45 degrees. The middles are 45. The middles are going into flight mode.
I am testing ludicrous mode. It goes really, really fast. Look at it. Wow. Oh my. It's really shaking. Wow. I've never seen this in my entire life. Printed this fast. It's really, really accurate as well. Amazing. Great job, Dowload.